it all today. Got red lipstick on, dark blue, light blue shirt, pink nails. Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today we're going to be doing a super fun and fall nasty gal haul. I did not mean for that to rhyme. It did though, so we're gonna go with it. I apologize in advance if the lighting continues to change throughout this video. I'm filming it at 5 o'clock, so the sun's starting to go down and I feel like I'm losing my light, so I'm having to change it and everything, so I apologize. But you guys, this is going to be a try-on haul. I have got some really fun things from Nasty Gal for the autumn-fall season. Super excited. I'm going to show you the things here and then we'll transition into me trying each piece on as I show it. So let's get started. And if you're new to this channel, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. Don't forget you can click the subscribe button to become part of this weird, awesome, amazing family. And I'll have my Instagram linked right up here and in the description. If you want to go over there and give me a follow over on Instagram, I would really appreciate it. I am obsessed with Instagram. I love it a little too much, so yeah. If you do follow me, thank you so much in advance. I really appreciate it. But let's get into the clothes. I actually haven't even opened this yet, so I need to find my knife. Oh. Well, that was easy. Well, I actually got one thing in here, or two things, but one thing is like obviously Christmas time and the other thing could be Christmas, but it still could be fall. Let's do the thing that's obviously Christmas time first, just to get it out of the way, but it's this right here. I wanted to kind of get a head start. I've been starting to get a few pieces here and there that are Christmas related, just because I know once things come in stock, like especially like at Target or other kinds of online places, they tend to sell out immediately. So I have been slowly getting a few things. I don't want to get too much all at one time because it's still very much fall. Like we have an entire month more of fall before winter hits, but I'm getting a few things here and there. This being one of them. Oh my god. Okay, this is a sweater. Oh my god, look, I'm so excited. This is the cutest little sweater. It's white and red and it's got little reindeer on it and I'm super into it. I got this one in a size small/medium. I wish that it would have just come in a small because I'm afraid this one's going to be way too big and I'm afraid it's going to be really hard to tuck in. So we shall see if I'm able to tuck this in or if I can crop it, you know, like under my bra or something like that. It does feel really nice and thick though. Again, that is one thing that kind of does worry me because if they are super crazy thick, it doesn't worry me. Like thick is really good. It means it's like pretty good quality. But for me, I tuck in my sweaters or I tuck them like under my bra to crop them or something. So if they're too thick, it makes it hard for me to do that. But that's just first world problems. That's like me. But this is super cute. It is very thick. The stitching seems really nice. I don't see any loose threads, but this looks adorable and I'm really into it. So let's try this baby on and see what we think. All right, you guys, here is that first sweater, the Christmas sweater, and I think it's so cute. The quality is really good. It's not too thick to where you can't tuck it in, but I think it just fits really nicely. I feel like if I wanted to crop this one, that would be a little bit hard to do because I feel like it is a little too thick to go under my bra, but you can tuck it into pants and I think it is super cute. The quality is really nice on this one. It doesn't feel scratchy or itchy or anything like that. It does feel pretty soft. It's not the best quality that I've ever felt before, obviously, but it's not that bad. So I think this is really cute and it's pretty affordable as well. So if you're in the market for some Christmas sweaters, then I think this one would be a really good one. I'm into this. I think it's super cute and I just put it with my Madewell jeans that I love so much. I've been getting so much wear out of these this year. I'm obsessed. But yeah, I'm really into this one. Next up, I've actually got quite a few plaid pants in this haul. I don't know, I feel like plaid pants are so in right now. Like these ones are super duper cool. I got these ones in a size, this says a 10, but I did not order a 10. I ordered a 6. That's not good. Oh, here it is. It is a 6. I'm sorry. So it said 10 on the tag, but that's a UK size 10. I got a US size 6. So it's fine. So I got these, and I thought these were so cute, and I'm really into them, and I can't wait to wear these with like tucked into like a band tee would be really cool, or I don't know, even a sweater. It's a vibe. It's all a vibe. So I can't wait to try these on. I hope that they're not too big. That's one thing that I really hate with pants. Like, I don't know what it is. I don't mind if it's loose around my thighs, around my legs or whatever. That's fine. I cannot stand it when skirts, pants, leggings, anything like that is too loose around my waist. I will not wear it. If it's too loose around my waist, I can't. Like, I don't know, I'm weird like that. But I hope these work, but they look super adorable. So let's go ahead and try these ones on. Alright, you guys, here is the next piece. These are the plaid pants. I am in love with these. These are fantastic. I just paired this with my Beatles band tee, and I put on this taupe colored cardigan from ASOS. And I am in love with this look. I love these pants. I think they fit really nice. The only thing, if I could give them a con, would be that they are pretty long in the crotch, but that's literally it. You can't really tell that much though, but they are very comfortable. They're really nice. I am in love with these. So these ones, A++, if that's even a grade, but like, I'm really into these. Oh, here is that other thing that could be considered for Christmas time. I don't know what that was, but you can still wear it for fall too. It's just a sweater. I got this one in a size small. This one doesn't feel all that great. I have a feeling this one is going to be mega itchy. Yeah, this one, I don't know. This one does not impress me at first glance. It seems to be, I don't know, it feels like it's gonna be really itchy. It does not feel soft at all, which is a shame because I thought this would be really cute. It is like a cropped sweater, but I thought that it'd be cute if you could tuck it into your bra and make it even more cropped or whatever. Who knows? I could be pleasantly surprised. It is kind of like a turtleneck situation up at the top here, and yeah, I don't know. I'm really not, the fabric does not impress me. It actually kind of feels like cardboard. It doesn't feel that great. And then these sleeves are already kind of like rolled up. They're like pre-rolled, which is kind of cool. So we'll try this one on. I don't have high hopes, but who knows? It could impress me. We shall see. Okay, so this is that third piece. This is the white sweater, and you guys, this thing is a joke. This thing is awful. I don't even see how they can call this a sweater. This is the thinnest material ever. Well, not ever, but this is the thinnest sweater material that I've ever seen in my life. It's not even opaque. It's see-through. So like, if I have it tucked into my bra a little bit, but if I didn't, it would just look like this, and it looks, I don't like it. I think it looks like a sack. It's not my favorite, and I think you can find much better sweaters that are actually a sweater. So this is not for me. I do not recommend this one. These just look, these feel like paper towels on my wrist. Like, these is not soft whatsoever. It's actually pretty itchy. It's very uncomfortable. This right here, again, it's really not good quality. It's very hard to move and like situate. Yeah, this one's a hard no from me, and yeah, I don't like it. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for these, you guys. Okay, these are another pair of plaid pants. These are green. Oh my god, I hope these ones fit. Like, if anything in this haul fits, I hope it's these, because these are the coolest freaking pants. These are green plaid, and I got them again in a UK size 10, US size 6. Again, I really hope they kind of look big, so I'm really afraid, because I had another pair of plaid pants. I have it in this Instagram picture right here that I'll put up on the screen. I'm wearing these. They're like tie-up paperback plaid pants. I got those in a 6, and they fit perfectly. They were actually a little bit tight, but again, that's how I like it. But I'm really afraid because these kind of look big, and I don't know what to do. So anyways, these are what they look like. They're green plaid pants, and these are going to look so freaking dope with a lot of different things. So I cannot wait to try this on. And of course, I'm gonna be like styling these with different things, so you'll be able to kind of see what I have in mind. I'm obsessed with these so far, so let's try these on and see what we think. I pray to God they fit.
All right, you guys, here are those green pants, and I am so torn. I don't know what to think. They are really cool. They're really baggy, and I think they're supposed to be like this. They do have pockets, which is pretty nice. It is a little bit big. It's really not that bad though. It's really not that big. Like around the waist, it's a tiny little bit of slack, but it's not that bad at all. I just don't know what to do when it comes to this. Like, I don't know how this is supposed to be. It's very loose everywhere else, and I don't know if it looks dumb or does it look okay. I really don't know. Like, I love the color of these, and I think they look so cool, but I can't work out. See, like, it's like a drop crotch situation, and I don't know, like, I'm so confused. I wanted to love these. Maybe if I belt it, let's see. Okay, now I've got it belted. You guys, I think I like it. Like, I know it sounds so weird, and there's just so much, but I think I like it. I don't know, it's just something about it. Please let me know in the comments if you like this one, because it really doesn't do much for your booty. Like, it's very loose, it's very baggy. I just love the fact that it has pockets. Even if there's no back pocket, that's all right. It's got front pockets, but like, I kind of like it. I don't know, I'm really confused. What do you guys think? Do you like it? Do you not? Let me know.
Yeah, one more thing. Oh, I forgot about these. Okay. Well, I ordered some jeans, apparently. I forgot. These are really cool. I got some black skinny jeans. I've been really meaning to get some of these. I got these, I don't know. It says a 1038. I don't know what that means. Anyways, here they are. Oh, they're really stretchy. I have a feeling these are going to be massive. I have a feeling these are going to be so big. It's really good that they're stretchy, but like, I feel like these are going to be huge around my waist, but we shall see. But they're just black skinny jeans. I've been really looking for a pair of black skinny jeans. I completely forgot that I had ordered these because I ordered some black skinny jeans from Abercrombie & Fitch like a couple of days ago, and I haven't got them. So those ones were pretty expensive. I think they were like $70 something. These ones I believe were maybe like 30, I don't know, I don't remember, but if these ones fit better than the Abercrombie ones, like, these are the ones I'm gonna keep. But they have back pockets and everything. They actually feel pretty legit. So let's try these on. I hope they fit. They look really cute, but let's give it a shot.
These are the last ones. These are the black pants. They look great. No, I'm totally joking. These don't fit at all. And that's not the pants' fault. They're way too small. Like, I just want to undo. They're way too small. They're not comfortable at all, and they're not for me because they're way too small. If I would have gotten one more size up, I'm sure that it would have fit pretty fine. But one thing I don't like about these pants, other than the fact that they're too small, is the fact that these are most certainly not high-waisted at all. Like, these are like mid-rise at the best. These are not high-waisted. I do not wear pants that are mid-rise or low-rise anymore. High-waisted is my thing. I think the quality is actually pretty fine. It's just the fact that these are so tight and I cannot breathe. So these are a no from me. So yeah, there's that. Those are all of the things. Hi. I think we got some really good things, and I think we've got some really bad things, but c'est la vie. And I really had fun doing this video, but let's go back over to past Kenzie and we'll end out this video.
You guys, that has been everything for the haul, and I have to say, I think there were some really good things in this haul. I think there were some misses as well. But I really did enjoy filming this. I thought it was really fun. I love doing these Nasty Gal hauls. It's like one of my favorite things to do, like Princess Polly, Nasty Gal, stuff like that I really enjoy. So I hope that you like them too. What was your favorite thing that I tried on today? Let me know that in the comments. If you have any of the things that I tried on today, if you like them or don't like them, let me know as well, because I just like to know things. And that's gonna be the video. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see the videos that I post and when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there and make sure you set it to all so that YouTube knows that you want to see my videos. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye!